Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to take the tissue paper bowl out of your styrofoam bowl. The reason I had you overlap some of these tissue papers on the side is so that way you can easily grab what's hanging over and inch your way into taking it off. So you're going to start with the top part, just going around the top, making sure that's coming off okay. Be careful to not rip the tissue paper, so you're making sure it's coming off as a whole. Okay, so you see how it's coming off as a whole here? There are going to be some spots where the styrofoam bowl is kind of coming off with it. Don't worry, we can peel that off later. But just make sure you're carefully inching around until you've reached the entire side, okay? Once you've got that top part done, then you can go and kind of inch your way down a little bit further. I'm turning my bowl as I'm working. Once I feel like I've got all the sides ripped off, then I can carefully get my thumb under here. If you can see, I'm getting my thumb under here and carefully pulling this up. Please go slow. If you go fast, you could rip a hole in the side of your tissue paper bowl. So you're going to want to make sure that you're just being very gentle and going really slow until it's completely out of there. Alright, just like this. Please save the styrofoam bowls because I can reuse these, so please don't ruin them. I will have someone come around and pick these up, so just put them off to the side. Once you have your tissue bowl, my beautiful tissue bowl, out of the styrofoam bowl, there's going to be Sharpie markers. Please make sure you write your name and your class code on the back, okay, so we know it's yours. And then you can flip it over. Alright? The next step is to kind of get rid of these overlapping tissue papers. I don't really want this here anymore. I kind of want to have a decorated edge. So there's there's more than two options, but here's a couple. You can go around and just trim this off. Trim off that excess and keep it rounded. That's fine. It's up to you. Or you can go back, maybe make it a little wavy. Maybe I want to have a wavy edge. My other example that I did, I had triangles all the way around the edge. So you decide whatever edge you'd like, okay? Be careful about cutting too much off because it won't be a bowl anymore if you cut too much off. So just be careful. You're only cutting this extra off. Please throw this away when you are all done. And then that's it. Make sure your name and class code's on the bottom. The edge is trimmed, and you're going to keep it here for the next week or so. I'd like to display these, so please make sure name and class code is on the bottom, and you leave these here for me, okay? When you are all done, you may grab a free draw coloring page. Please just grab one, all right? And then that is it. I will see you guys next week. I hope you have a great day.